Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. In-app purchases is a greatly anticipated new feature of Flux Store 3.4.0. When clicking Buy Now button in product detail screen, if the product price is the same with in-app purchase products on App Store, it will pay via in-app purchases. Let's see how to configure in-app purchases. Go to App Store Connect, then sign in with your Apple ID. Choose your app and select in-app purchases. Create product ID on App Store. The price on App Store must be the same with the product price on the website. The price on the website is $4.99 and belongs to Tier 5. Choose the same tier. Go to the source code of Flux Store, open env.dart file. Input the product ID we have just created. Enable an app purchase config. Go to your website admin page. Make sure the product price is the same with in-app purchase products on App Store. To test an app purchase in iOS, you need to submit app to test flight. Add internal and external testers. The result will be like this. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.